Hello friends, welcome to LearnOne. In previous lecture, we have learned about the keys method of hash, and today we will learn about values method of hash. Values method will fetch the values from our hash. If we want to fetch all the values from our hash and need an array, then we can use values method. It will always return an array of the values. Here in example, I have created one hash which contains two elements, two key value pairs, and I want to fetch values of both the pairs. So I have written my hash variable name dot my method, that is values, and that will return me one array, and that array contains both the values 1 and 2. Now we will see the practicals of hash method, that is values. Now I am using hash method values on my hash variable. So my hash variable name, that is my hash dot my method name, here it is values, and this method returns us values from our hash in an array format. So here we have two values 1 and 2. These values are fetched from our hash. This is our hash. This is our first value, that is 1, and the second value, that is 2. So values method returns us the values in an array format. In next lecture we will learn about clear method of hash.